Connie. Come here. Liv, come here. Liv, come here because you're gonna leave soon. I see you. See you. Come here, my girl. Don't be like that. Okay, come here, baby. Hurry up. I see you still. Connie. Okay, I'm gonna go now then. I'll see you later. Bye. See you later. I'm gonna go now. What are you doing the splits again? Okay, come here. Come here so I can love you up. Okay, come. Come here, Connie. Hurry up. Come. Come here, baby. Here, come. Don't fight me. Just come here. You're just gonna get dirty. Okay, I'll see you later then. Bye. Okay, come here then.